Good morning from Laos. Today we are going to be hitting Klang waterfalls. I've been seeing a lot about this waterfall all over Instagram and social media, but now I'm here in the country and I'm going to go see it for myself with my own eyes. From my hostel it's about a 50-minute moped ride, but not too bad. So we're going to head out there. It's a beautiful day out. The sun is shining. Honestly, Laos is very, very humid compared to Thailand, at least to me, in my opinion. So it's gonna be nice when we get there to take a dip in the waterfalls. And yeah, so I will check back with you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we made it to Klang Waterfall in one piece. It was about a 45-minute ride from our hostel. I'm actually kind of surprised. I didn't think it was going to be as like organized as this. I thought it was just going to be like you walk in and like through the jungle a little bit and boom, you're there. But this is actually pretty proper. We're just trying to find the entrance now, which I don't know which way to go. But yeah, beautiful day. It looks like they're selling, they got like all this area selling t-shirts, this and that. And people selling food. I think we just go to an electric car. I think so. Can we go this way? I don't know. Does it take us to the waterfall maybe? Oh. Yeah, we're a little lost, but I think we're supposed to go in this electric car. Yeah, I think it's we go into the electric car and it probably takes us up to the waterfall. So maybe we'll ask one of the people. Maybe ask this guy right here with the broom. Yeah, I assume we ride these electric. I assume we ride this electric vehicle, and it's gonna take us up to the waterfall. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I was correct. I guess it's a free shuttle service at the main hub. You take the shuttle, it takes you up to the waterfall. But it's about 12 p.m., 12:30 right now, and I think we came at the wrong time because it is packed. We're gonna get up there and it's gonna be a bunch of people, but it is what it is. So we should be up to the waterfall shortly. Okay, so yeah, we ride the shuttle up and we get dropped off at this little spot, like do like a little 5-minute village, and we get dropped off at this little spot. But now we walk on the walking trail up through the waterfall, and one of the stops through the walking trail right in the beginning is these here bears. See the bears? So we get to check these bears out for free. What kind of bears are these? Oh, they have names. One of the bears' name is Kam. The other bear's name is Deng. Let's see what else going on. Oh, there's some more bears over there. See behind me? Let's see. Oh, it looks like they are Asiatic black bears. This means that the Asiatic black bears are under threat of becoming endangered unless they're... So, these bears I guess are almost endangered. Not surprised, I feel like a lot of animals are almost endangered. Like, it's just like people don't give a shit about animals anymore, which we should, because we need wildlife in the world to coexist with the humans, you know? But we're gonna keep on walking through up to the waterfall and check it out. I can already tell right now there's gonna be a shit ton of people. Alright, so we got to the first pool. I guess as you go higher up, there's different levels of pools that you can swim in. And here's the first one. Looks pretty cool, look at the water. Honestly, I have the feeling the water's gonna be freaking cold, because as we got closer to the water, the temperature dropped. So once I get to the top, I'll go in the water, but I have a feeling it's gonna be super cold. But as I predicted, it is super packed today, but whatever. We're still here, we made it. We're still seeing it. So. Okay, so guys, just got some word that when you get to the main swimming pool area, that there's a path that you can walk along the left and the right side, some stairs, and if you follow it all the way up, you actually get to the top. You get to the top of the waterfall where it begins. So we might do that because I heard there's not too many people out there. Because where I'm at right now, as you can see, woo, there's a lot of fucking people here. But check this shit out. But yeah, I'm trying to go to that spot right now because way too many people. It's kind of sickening. Make me sick. So we're about to walk up to the main waterfall area where the water falls down. And damn. Woo, you guys should see this in real life. Damn. Look at this. Hold on. Let me get up there. I'm gonna show you guys. But look at this. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, I've been seeing this on YouTube and social media all the time, but damn, being here is different. Damn. That's all I can say is damn, because I'm speechless. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, that's wild. That's wild. Woo! Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Fuck, man, too many people. Look at this. Wow, the mist is hitting me. It feels nice and refreshing. The mist is hitting me. It feels nice and refreshing because a little bit of a tube, nothing crazy, but a little bit of tube, especially when you got gear on. Wow, look at this. Ooh, wow. All the YouTube stuff I've been watching on this Klang waterfall, all the social media. Now I'm finally here, witnessing it with my own eyes. I'm here now. And it's unbelievable. Wow. So now we are making our way up to the top of the waterfall. Hopefully there's not too many people there. And once we get to the top, I'm gonna try to fly my drone. But I'm a little worried because the last time I flew the drone near a waterfall, I crashed it. So I just got the drone fixed back in Chiang Mai, and I haven't used it since. So, but I would really love to get some drone shots from above of the waterfall. But whew, it's about a 15-minute hike to the top. Apparently there won't be as much people, but I think it'll be worth it. So we're on our way now. Getting banged on by mosquitoes. Damn. But alright, check in later. So when you get to the top, this is what it kind of looks like. Opens up a little bit, but I mean that was only like a 15-minute hike, but man, that was troubling. I don't know if I'm ready for my 1.5 hour hike in a couple days, but yeah, let me get to the edge and show you guys what the waterfall looks like from the top. I haven't even seen it myself, so this is gonna be the first time for both of us to see. Let's check it out. That's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try to find a spot to fly the drone. But yeah, pretty cool. The little pool up here that we can swim in too. I think we're definitely gonna take a dive because we are sweating our balls off. Definitely taking a dive. All right, talk to you guys later. We gotta swim first. So guys, check this out. We didn't even realize this, but as we got to the top, there's like this little raft thing that's right behind me that'll take you through like the water and see some more waterfalls. 10,000 kip. Okay. Yeah, take us to the waterfalls to show you where it all begins. So we're gonna ride. So we're gonna ride and check it out, which is pretty cool. Oh, the fishes?
Yeah.
But but I'll show you guys a point of view as we cruise through this thing. Looks pretty dope. Really nice, really serene, you know? Alright guys, so this is where the Guangxi Waterfall all begins. It starts with these little waterfalls and it flows all the way down there. All the way down there. And it begins that big backdrop that you've seen. It looks like we're stopping here and I'm assuming we're gonna take a dip for a little bit, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is where it all begins right here, these little waterfalls. Swim, okay, yeah, we're gonna take a dip.
Stop, no swim, no jump, water okay. Swim here okay.
Swim here is okay.
Stop, no swim.
I guess over here there's a big cave.
Yeah.
40 meters?
Yeah.
There's a big 40-meter cave that goes down right in here. You can't swim in this area, it's too dangerous, but behind me you can swim right here in this little small pool here. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is beautiful.
Guangxi. Guangxi water.
Guangxi Waterfall.
This is a sea water. So no fish, no jump. Swim here down.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna probably take a little dip, cool off. Alright, so that concludes our day trip to Guangxi Waterfall. It was definitely amazing. It's a cool experience for me because I never seen anything like it before. And on top of that, we made it to the top where it was less people and we swam in the pool up there. And we also did this little rafting thing that we didn't even know about. The only thing I would have to say that is the downfall about it is that it gets very, very packed. Now, maybe it was because of the time that we came, because we're leaving now and it's almost 3 o'clock and there's not as much people as it was when we got here, and we got here around 12 or 1 o'clock. So I don't know what time would be a good time to come. Early before everybody gets here, or to come maybe an hour or two before they close and everybody starts leaving. But nonetheless, it was an awesome day. It was a great experience. Beautiful to see. Guangxi Falls in Luang Prabang province in Laos, the land of a million elephants. Oh, and I also got to, I ended up flying the drone, and I didn't crash it this time. So you guys can check out the drone footage at the end of me chit-chatting here. Until next time.